Drill pilot holes and countersinks in one go for faster, professional finishes. With the Trend Quick Release 5-piece countersink set. The countersink ensures the screw head is sub-flush and neat, and they're suitable for impact drivers and quick chuck drill tools. Sizes include 2, 2.5, 2.75, 3.25 and 3.5 millimeters. They have a case-hardened tool steel body and high-speed steel drill bit for durability and longer life. They feature an adjustable drill bit to suit material thickness and can be used to counterbore deeper holes for wood plugs. Use for timber, fiberboard and chipboard. The Trend Quick Release 5-piece countersink set for a faster, professional finish.